He's supposed to give a tour to a couple, only the dude shows up. The kid thought it was weird, but he's like, I need the money, I gotta give him a tour, right? So he takes this guy up. 10 minutes into the tour, the dude fucking jumped out. Yeah. 5 days in. 5 days in for the balloons and the cake. We love you, son.
Live from Bedford, Stuyvesant, the livest one, representing BK till the...
Don't trust our opinion. Don't trust our opinion podcast. It's your boys back in the building. OJ,
Kev,
SPG.
stand up, please.
Yes, sir. We are in the building. Hope everyone is staying safe out there with this quarantine thing going on. And you guys should comment. Is it tough for you guys? Is it not?
Yeah.
Are you a antisocial person?
Yeah, let us know what you going through. We're going through the same thing. So.
Yeah. All right. So right now we got the helicopter story, right?
Highly requested.
Highly requested.
Highly, super highly requested.
I think actually when we first started doing Bill Burr, this is like one of the first recommendations I've ever seen.
Yeah, he's getting a lot of recommendations, but helicopter kept popping up in damn near each video we did. So
and it was like, don't do the animations. And no lie, we were really close about to do the animation.
Oh, hello? Yeah. Alright, can you give me like 10 minutes to like do this video real quick and then I'll come? Yeah. Alright, I'm coming right now. Alright. We're gonna do the video.
Alright. And we were really close to doing the animation to the helicopter story, but you guys was like, don't do the animation or, you know,
ruin the experience.
Basically.
Like
so we found this. This is not on YouTube, right? What is it on?
Yeah, we had to download it onto the laptop.
Yeah.
So we went the extra mile for you guys to do this.
Yeah. So
it wasn't nowhere on YouTube.
Yeah, it's in black and white, I think.
Yeah.
So it feels rare. So you ready?
Yeah, let's get into it.
I saw this story down in Orange County, right? Down in Orange County, California, this guy gave helicopter tours for 30 years. 30 years without incident. Hands the business off to his son. The American dream. I built it up for 30 years. Here you go, son. Make the family and the family name proud. All right, Dad, I love you. Right? This poor kid, 5 days in. He's supposed to give a tour to a couple, only the dude shows up. The kid thought it was weird, but he's like, I need the money, I gotta give him a tour, right? So he takes this guy up. 10 minutes into the tour, the dude fucking jumped out. Yeah. 5 days in. 5 days in for the balloons and the cake. We love you, son. Keep the family tree going. Traditional life. 5 fucking days later, this kid, he probably barely had the speech down. Just sitting there flying the helicopter. All right, if you look out the left side of the aircraft, that's Orange County. There's over 27 miles of beaches. Now put your seatbelt back on. 27 miles of beaches. Was established as a county in 1903. Sir, please don't open the door, sir. What are you doing? No! Stop! No!
Oh my God.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! What the fuck? Fuck! Traffic control. I don't know who's on this frequency, but you really need somebody to fucking help. 5 days in. Further into the story, turns out the guy who jumped out, he was 61 years old, terminally ill. He was in pain every day. They couldn't figure out what was wrong with him, and he had had enough. At that point, that guy immediately became a hero in my world, right? You know what I love about him? Not only did he make the decision, he didn't go out like some pussy, right?
Yeah, he went out like a champ.
Pills, watching a romantic comedy, wrapped in an Afghan that Nana made. Fuck that. This guy went out like a man. Take me up in a chopper. I'm looking at the land I love, and then I'm jumping out like a superhero. I loved it. Yeah.
Real shit.
This guy should have been wearing a fucking cape. I can't imagine how elated he must have been on that helicopter ride up after finally, just taking back control of his life. Like, fuck you, disease. I decide. Ripping tubes out, gets a burger, shotguns a beer. Take me up in the chop. He probably had his fucking foot on on the dashboard. You know, he's not even listening to this guy giving the tour, right? Over 27 miles of beach. Just put your seatbelt back on. Establishes the county in 1903. Sir, please don't try to.
That's real shit, man. That's real shit.
Here's the thing. I left out one small thing. There is one small thing. The guy fucking lived.
What? How the hell he live?
Man, they were out over the ocean.
Oh.
500 feet up. You think that would be enough? So
Yeah.
I'm thinking he must have gone in like Greg Louganis, like no splash.
Straight in.
But witnesses said it looked like a dummy was falling out of the air, so that sounds like a hell of an impact. I think he accidentally did the most epic 500-foot belly flop in the history of jumping out of a helicopter, you know? But that didn't change what he was trying to do. Where his heart was, I still love this guy. I just feel bad for him. Just on the way down, he's got to be thinking 3 more seconds of pain, 2 more seconds. Wham!
Damn. Bro can't even kill himself, man.
This is worse. This is way worse.
Damn.
It's a happy ending, though. He later died at the hospital.
That's
That's right. So here's to him.
fucked up.
God bless him. I hope I have the balls someday.
To you, sir.
To you, bro. I gotta go real quick. I gotta handle some business, emergency. But yeah, I'm gonna let Rondé handle the outro. And yeah, Bill Burr, man, he's hilarious. Let us know before I leave. Let us know any other comedians like Bill Burr, anybody else.
Yeah.
All right, but I'm gonna go handle this. I'm out. Rondé, hold it down for me.
Yeah. Me.
Hennessy
gonna take a spot.
Hennessy's all day.
Yeah. But yeah, before Kev left, I was gonna say, I'm not gonna lie, I respect what he done, what that guy what he did. Because I've encountered people that have tried to commit suicide before, and they went out with the pills, and I've seen some celebrities, Kurt Cobain, or Chris Benoit, the noose, or shotgun to the head. But there's a lot of conspiracy theories about both those guys' suicidal deaths. But I feel like the most OG way to go out is jump off of a high-story building or out of a helicopter, because it's like it's a rush, You're gonna see everything that you're going down, and it's unbelievable. And for that guy to live through that and then die later in the hospital, it's like the most severe case of blue balls. Like when you actually think about it, And but he ejaculated when all right, this is going somewhere else. Hennessy is definitely
What you say?
yeah, all right. The Hennessy is definitely kicking in, so we're just gonna end this here. Don't trust our opinion. Subscribe to your boys. Comment, like Kev said before you left, any other comedians that we should do. I've seen a lot of Dave Chappelle. We're thinking about it. We're definitely thinking about Dave Chappelle. Should we let them know why we won't do Dave Chappelle? Alright, so this is the thing, right? We might not do Dave Chappelle because we're huge Dave Chappelle fans. Like, literally all of us. So it's like, we like to react to, like, the, things for the first time, so it's the purest form. Some people in the comments say, like, oh, you guys have seen this before. Everything we react to, we've literally never seen before. So I don't know where that comes from. But,
It's like the same thing with Kevin Hart. We've seen a lot of Kevin Hart.
Yeah, it's like, we've seen Kevin Hart, we've seen Dave Chappelle, like, well, Dave Chappelle's my favorite comedian. So, and I know he's definitely Kev's favorite comedian as well. And, Cat Williams and all those guys. We've seen those before. So, if you guys want us to react to Dave Chappelle again, then you should leave a comment that if you should react to it again. But I guarantee you, every time we look at Dave Chappelle, you know, it's like I've seen him for the first time. He's just that great of a comedian to me. But not gonna lie, we definitely seen every Dave Chappelle, every Kevin Hart, every Cat Williams. Like, you know, those are in our those are in our stratosphere. But yeah. So just let us know if you guys want us to react to those comedians. So sorry for talking so much. But you know, I'm a talker, so don't trust our opinion. Yep.